In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure SHEIN sizes. First, open the SHEIN app or head to the website. Navigate to the item you want to purchase and open its product page. There you'll find a size guide button. Tap it to see the specific measurements for that item. This chart is your reference point, so keep it open while you take your own measurements. Before you begin, grab a soft, flexible measuring tape. A cloth or tailor's tape works best because it wraps smoothly around curves. Avoid using a ruler or a stiff metal tape. Those can distort your numbers and lead to the wrong size. Let's start with your bust. Stand naturally and wrap the tape around the fullest part of your chest. Keep the tape level all the way around and parallel to the floor. It should lie flat against your body without digging in. Take a normal breath and make sure it's snug but not tight. If you're between numbers, note both and aim for accuracy rather than rounding. Next is your waist. Find the smallest part of your torso, usually just above your belly button and below your rib cage. An easy way to locate it is to bend slightly to one side and feel where your body creases. Wrap the tape around that spot, keep it straight, and let your stomach relax. Don't suck in. You want your everyday comfortable measurement because that's how your clothes will actually fit. Now measure your hips. Stand tall with your feet together so your legs are aligned. Wrap the tape around the widest part of your hips and seat. Again, keep it level and smooth without pulling too tight. This ensures you capture your full hip measurement for bottoms, dresses, and anything fitted through the hips. Once you have bust, waist, and hips, decide whether you'll record them in centimeters or inches. The size guide usually lets you switch units, so pick the one you're most comfortable with and use it consistently. Then compare your numbers directly against the chart on that product page. Always base your choice on your measurements, not on generic labels like S, M, or L. Different items can be cut differently, and your best size may vary. Here's a final tip. Sizes on Shein can differ from item to item, even within the same category. Always measure and check the size guide for each product you plan to buy. Taking a few extra moments now will save you from returns later and help you get a fit that feels just right.